welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This Airbus A320 landing with its nose gear pointing the wrong way, sending out sparks as it touched down. Luckily, no one was injured. This Boeing 737 hitting a light pole while pushing back.
हम आपकी सुरक्षा और सेवा के लिए यहाँ मौजूद हैं, लेकिन आपसे निवेदन है सोशल डिस्टेंस रखने में हमारी मदद करें। जब तक जरूरी ना हो अपनी सीट पर ही बैठे रहें। सबकी सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए और डीजीसी के निर्देशों के अनुसार
This Airbus A350 doing a touch and go because of wind shear. This plane helping out with a truck fire. These planes meeting each other mid-air. This plane taking off from a dirt road. This plane picking up water to extinguish fires with. This plane engine emitting a lot of smoke. This car being driven into a passenger plane's cargo hold. This is the Belgian Air Force flying information. That's it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.